How to change country of Gmail account. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel, and on today's video I will guide you how you can change country of Gmail account. So without further delay, let's get started. First of all, launch the Gmail application in your mobile device and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you're here, navigate to the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Under your profile name, tap on manage your Google account. Once you're here, now under your profile name, head towards the personal info tab. Under the personal info, now scroll through it, and there you have addresses section where you can add your home address, your work address or other address. So from here, select your preferred options, whether you want to go with home, work or other. If you want to add other addresses, tap on other, then tap on add address, then you could add address here. Type in your full name, provide your country and region, select states, and then you have to add city, state, zip code and also your nickname if you want. If not, you can leave that as well. So here, once you're done providing your address, tap on save, and with that, this address will be saved in your account. So that's it. That's how you can change the country of Gmail account, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.